Is this the worst drawdown we've ever seen in the crypto market in August? I'm going to get into some historical data which might make you change your mind about being a bear right now. Plus I have other things to talk about. As you can see, there's a beautiful boat burning in back of us. That's a long story. I'll get into that later. But first, let's go over a bunch of important news you have to hear, especially about the US dollar. So here's what the BRICS are saying right now. We have decided to invite Argentine Republic, the Arab Republic of Egypt, the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, the Islamic Republic of Iran, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and the UAE to become full members of BRICS from the 1st of January 2024. This is really huge news. Also, we have some interesting stuff of what's happening with Brazil right now. So Brazil's president says BRICS to abandon US dollar for trade settlements. So this is really going to put a lot of pressure on the US dollar, which is interesting because this is from Sven Hendrik on Twitter. He says the dollar's up 6 weeks in a row, entering overbought territory, highest RSI since the blow-off move of September 2021. So in my opinion, this is the route the dollar is going to take. And we have the Federal Reserve Chairman also saying, Powell saying that inflation is still too high, wants more interest rate hikes. So what does this mean? It means that the market is pricing in another couple rate hikes. And guess what? Bitcoin isn't falling to 12,000. It's not falling to 9,000, is it? It's still at $26,000 and floating around there. I think a lot of people are going to get sidelined, especially as the market continues to go up from here. All right, as you know, the daily RSI is the lowest it's been this entire bear market. All right, this is even including the FTX collapse. All right, so now let's go over to historical data. So this is August. All right, so in 2014, Bitcoin dropped 17% in August. In 2015, Bitcoin dropped 18%. All right, right now Bitcoin is down 16% in August. So guys, it's usually darkest before the dawn, right? So what I've been doing, especially with our CT Club members, is buying up these dips, buying up micro caps. If you want to check us down below, the link is below for our CT Club where you get our trade alerts. All right, here's some even more bullish news for you. Bitcoin supply on exchanges hits 5-year lows. So there's about 2,264,000 Bitcoin left on exchanges right now. And that number is going to continue to dip. Why? It's because BlackRock's buying up the dips and banks are buying up the dips. I've been saying this for a very long time. That is it. That's all I have today. Please like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy this beautiful view of this boat burning down, and I'll talk to you soon.